Welcome to the 10th anniversary of Scorpions Cricket Club. Before we start, just like to start with the Quran recitation. I'd like to call upon Shayan Ali to recite the prayer.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يسألونك عن الأنفال قل الأنفال لله والرسول فاتقوا الله وأصلحوا ذات بينكم وأطيعوا الله ورسوله إن كنتم مؤمنين إنما المؤمنون الذين إذا ذكروا الله وجلت قلوبهم وإذا تليت عليهم آياته زادتهم إيمانا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون الذين يقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا لهم درجات عند ربهم ومغفرة ورزق كريم صدق الله العظيم.
So basically we are celebrating our 10th anniversary, as you guys all know. And Alhamdulillah, it is a privilege and blessed occasion because it's not easy to continue a club for straight 10 years without any breaks.
Every great story begins with a spark, a moment when ordinary people dare to dream of something extraordinary. This is the story of Scorpions Cricket Club, a story of passion rekindled, friendships forged, and a relentless pursuit of the game we love. From humble beginnings in parking lots to the hallowed turf of international stadiums, this is our journey. It was 2016. A small group of colleagues, bankers by profession, cricketers by heart, found themselves in the parking lots of Dubai on weekends, chasing a tennis ball and reliving the glory days of their youth. Among them was Mohsin Bamani, known simply as MB. He watched his friends play with a fire in their eyes, a hunger for something more than just a casual knockabout. Is our journey. MB saw what others didn't. Potential. The raw ingredients of something special. He had a vision to transform this passion into purpose, these weekend warriors into a proper cricket club. When he shared his idea, it spread like wildfire. Word traveled fast among those who shared the same love, the same thirst for the game. The early days were electric. We competed at InSports and UPro Sports, cutting our teeth in interdepartment clashes and one-day tournaments. Victory tasted sweet. Each win, no matter how small, built our belief. Then came the ICC Indoor Tournament, a higher-level, tougher opposition. We rose to the occasion and lifted the trophy. These weren't just tournaments. They were crucibles that forged our identity, our unity, our sense of direction. But deep inside we knew there was a bigger stage waiting. It was time to step up, time to pursue the real thing, hardball, outdoor cricket. In 2016, we made our debut in the globally recognized Last Man Stands League. This was mainstream cricket, a true test of our mettle. It was here that we officially became the Scorpions. The inspiration? Most of our original 14 members shared the Scorpio star sign. The name felt destined. We donned our red kits with pride and stepped onto the field for our debut match. We finished as runners-up, a statement to the cricketing world that Scorpions had arrived. But one victory stood above the rest, a match against the formidable DIB team. A win that gave us belief, a win we'll never forget. After LMS, we didn't rest. We took our game to the cement grounds of Ajman and Al Quwain, competing week after week, steadily building our name in the local cricket circuit. With each season, our ambition grew. we took on the challenge of turf cricket at the world-class ICC grounds in Dubai Sports City. And then came a privilege few can claim, the chance to compete at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, experiencing the same conditions as international legends. This wasn't just a match. This was validation. Proof that a group of dreamers from a parking lot could stand on the same stage as the world's best. When the world paused, so did we. The lockdown tested our patience, but not our passion. When cricket returned, we came back stronger. Thanks to Jafar Bhai, CEO of JMR, we joined their league, focusing exclusively on turf cricket, raising our standards to new heights. Today, Scorpions isn't just a club. It's a brand, a respected name across Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, and Al Quwain. Our players are sought after by teams across the UAE on our off days, a testament to the talent within our ranks. Our family has grown from the original 14 Scorpions to a vibrant community of 28 active members, each one carrying forward the spirit of those early days. Last summer, we launched SSX, Scorpions Summer Sports, a celebration of our bond beyond the boundary. Because Scorpions isn't just about cricket, it's about brotherhood. We've learned that the greatest victories aren't always on the scorecard. They're in the friendships forged, the memories made, the moments shared.
So basically, this is what we are celebrating. It's been a long 10 years, profound friendships, mutual love, and passion for cricket, which has kept us all together over these 10 years. What makes Scorpions great? Tell us.
You want me to say something, eh?
What makes Scorpions great?
It's basically friendship, the respect of each other, and probably most demanding friendship. Friendship.
So I'm talking about members, I'm talking about our past members, our present members. It is you who make this club great. And like Javed Bhai said and like Sunil Bhai said, there is another element which is diversity, which means, it's not a one national club. We have people from different nationalities all over the subcontinent, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. We used to have in Bangladesh, it's also now gone. Canadian, mashallah. And Sri Lanka, of course, Afan by the sole representative of Sri Lanka. And when we talk about India, it's from south to north. And then when we talk about Pakistan, it's from Peshawar to Sindh to Punjab. So we have a good mix of diverse people, which also helps in enable the synergy of the club. Along with that, we have seniors and juniors. We have young guys like Mohsin Kumani and seniors like me. So that has kept the club going along. The club is very important. This is why we come to enjoy the friendships and enjoy the great bond that we all have. A very important element which we tend to forget is the support which we get from our families. Playing over the weekends, they allow us to be with you guys and enjoy cricket. For some people, I know it's not that easy, but for most of us, we enjoy cricket. So, and we have seen our kids, mashallah, over the last 10 years go from here to there. Alhamdulillah, so that has kept the club great, and all these things makes Scorpions great. Big round of applause for each and everyone, please. So we'll start by getting back to the history, how it all began and how we are here. I'd like to call upon Faisan Bhai, so please.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good afternoon. I was told that I'm supposed to speak about the history. History has not always been my favorite subject, never. I've never liked it. But when it was about Scorpions, it was a total different thing. And I said, yes, it'll come out from the heart, what it is. So let's just go back. How did this happen? How did we reach where we are today. 10 years is not a small amount of time. It's a long journey. There were ups, there were downs, and a lot of us know the whole journey, how it started. But let me give you a refresher on how it happened. Somewhere in Dubai Islamic Bank head office, a couple of guys got together, yaar kuch karte hain. And this itch was mainly happening from the risk people, Javed Bhai's side, Mohsin Bhai, everybody, all these people got together, yaar kuch karte hain. First thing we started was our tape ball cricket. Tape ball cricket, where did we play it first? When we started at DIB. The Pathan parking lot, which is now the Aburay building, I think they call it, it's called Adeeb. That was a parking lot before, for those of you who don't know that. We started playing there, 2015, if I'm not mistaken. That was still not Scorpions, this is where it started off. We played there for a couple of months, I would say. Playing there, great experience, energy started to come, we started to know who's how and what. Me personally, I want to thank Shabab. Shabab was the one who introduced me to this group and said, Fidan bhai, aap bhi aake khelo, dekho kaisa hai. And that's where I got introduced to the whole gang, started playing. Played for a couple of months, and then happened, yaar, kuch aur karte hain, aur kuch karna hai. Mohsin bhai takes us, let's go indoor, in sports. And the in sports fever started. We arranged a couple of one-day tournaments, 8-over games, inter-department, team bana ke kuch kar liya, is tarike se. We loved it. All the members who are here, they know about it. We loved it. And we said, aur karna hai. Let's do something more. Let's get into it. From there, we kept on playing that indoor cricket and kya karna hai next? Where do we take this passion? There comes the first proper hardball game that we spoke about was LMS. The pictures that you see was the first squad that we had that played the LMS game. 8 of us, yeah, I think there were 8 of us, 9 of us that played that game. Just a quick trivia question here right now. How was that first game that happened? Who was the player of the match?
Either me or you. Because we got both of us got together.
Javed bhai was our first. So, Javed was our first. So that's where LMS happened, and the energy came in. We need to go into it more. That passion at that time was at a different level. Everything unearthing how we had. We played LMS. We were runners up in our first ever tournament. First tournament together, and we were runners up. So another round of applause for all Scorpions. Because of you.
I just to mention that 6 over
We went to the other ground, outside in the kacha. No. Another achievement for us in that was we played the Mammoths of that time, we played DIB, and we won that game also. So those were the real confidence that got into us, and that's where we said, and then Mohsin bhai was always there, yeah, next level pe leke chalna hai, next level. And then we got into the ICC thing. If you see, हमने ICC का भी games खेला, first time got into ICC grounds and stuff. उसके बाद 7 cricket started. That's where we got into Ajman, Quain, all that stuff happened. And there is, ये photo लगाने की so, and that's where we really got our name, the brand that it is. One little part to it also I need to add on to it. The name Scorpions. How did that happen? When we were getting into LMS, we wanted to have a name for the team. And obviously, Mohsin bhai was working with all of us. Kya karne, kaise karna. So the squad of initial, I think, 10, 12 people that we had came up with that. So most of the star signs are Scorpions. And that's where the name got that birth of Scorpions, and that's how we are today. He orchestrated the thing, that's what we will say. No, but we'll give credit to him also because he was the one who took that initiative to take us to that. So we got the name, we got the brand, we got the identity, we got our red kits the first time, and that was what we went with for a long time. Doing that, we played all our summer cricket there. Look at this picture. This is Dubai International Cricket Stadium, the lords of the Middle East. Our name, Scorpion scorecard there is a big thing. It's a big achievement. I think we all deserve a round of applause. Now today when we watch all these World Cup matches, ICC matches, and then we see players in the pavilion, we all proudly, because of Scorpions, can say, yes, we've been there. We played a whole tournament there. We played a complete tournament, not just a single game. There's a whole tournament that we played, 2 tournaments that we played. So that's a big thing for all of us. And the reason is what? Scorpions. That whole identity has taken us to that level. So we've touched the highest possible thing that we can on. That was more of a COVID times, lockdown, in, out. All of us remember how that happened. After that, again, Mohsin Bhai comes up again and says, yaar kuch aur karna hai, aur leke jana hai, to the next level. And obviously playing in those kind of grounds brought us that hunger to get into some real things. We were blessed and lucky to have, got together with Jafar Bhai, we got with JMR, and that's what now is officially and unofficially our home grounds. We play most of our games there. So JMR is what has become, and that's where our cricket got into a different trajectory. Totally, completely into turf, quality grounds, good pavilions, game style levels have changed. But during this whole period, what is most important that we need to understand, we made friendships. What Ghalib Bhai said at the beginning, friendships, brotherhood, families, everything happened. Scorpions is not just about, yeah, Sunday ko aaya, match khela chalega. This gathering that happens, and we all have seen this. Me, from this angle, I have seen groups of from 15 to 20 progress into 35, 30 people now. Guests, everybody. I think this is the largest crowd we've ever had. So, again, big round of applause for Mohsin Bhai, who brought the whole thing together. Everyone is involved in this one, but again, the mastermind who got into this, all this thing, so that's why, a big thing on there. Last summer, if you remember, our SSX, Scorpions, Summer X. Do you remember these team names and stuff? Yeah. We'll have more of it, inshallah. But that's the activity and how we reach today. I just want everybody to just think of it, this is to reiterate on how things happen. What happened in these times? We reached it, it's not easy. It was a lot of effort, a lot of hard work, ups and downs. And then doing these events, it's not easy. It's a decade, it's not easy. Something which was, we are kuch karte hain, reach 10 years is a big thing. Once again, before I conclude, big round of applause for everybody. Thank you so much. It was just these people are the history that
hopefully we'll manage thinking for Scorpions Club starts with any logo. So presenting to you our
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna Allaha wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu sallu alayhi wa sallimu taslima. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammad. Respected guests, members, ex-members, welcome to our decades anniversary of Scorpions Cricket Club. Most of the things have already been highlighted and displayed as well by Faizan and the media team. Wonderful job, by the way, I must say. But I'll still go quickly over the journey that we had. As Faizan stated earlier, that we started in 2015 unofficially, playing at the party blocks with the tape ball. But then the idea came up that the passion was there for cricket, the hunger was there, तो थोड़ा सा आगे लेके चलते हैं. वहाँ से हमने भाई स्पोर्ट्स का दौर आया, स्पोर्ट्स में खेला, स्पोर्ट्स में टूर्नामेंट जीते. From there on, I remember once it was about 6 months down the road, and Zohaib was the one who said, "Muslim, यार काफी खेला हमने स्पोर्ट्स में, यार क्यों ना हमारे पास लड़के ज़्यादा हैं तो we should have a formal team and let's play hard ball, like असल मजा है, leather ball, ये this and that." And support was there from Faizan, Amir Bhai. Then we thought, okay, let's make a team. We formed a team. It was about 12 to 14 people at that time. We looked for a tournament. We didn't know anybody at that time. So we registered for this last man standing league, LMS. And May 2016 was the first match that we played as Scorpions. Before that, no jersey, no kit, no name. We found the name. As you said, everybody knows how we found the name. So, anyways, we got our identity and we kickstart the game from there. or towards the main hardball cricket. LMS Avian went to cement में खेला. एक आध मैचेस we got a chance to play on turf, and turf का मजा जब वो एक कहता ना शेर के मुंह को जब खून लग गया तो था कि अब turf पे ज़्यादा खेलना. But then the score was less. The word quite started spreading. People who were playing for other teams, for our Banks team, they saw the new team, Scorpions, running well. They joined us. The group started to become larger. We started to grow. And then Alhamdulillah, then we played at ICC grounds. Further went up to playing International Stadium, Dubai International Stadium, a couple of tournaments. So the experience was there. Then came JMR and so on. Anyways, this was the history, as I said, has already been told before. But why Scorpions? Why not? I mean, there are numbers of teams across UAE. But why I really wanted to join Scorpions, especially from within our organization where we work? It was because honestly, like the funding was also by ourselves. Till date, Scorpions Cricket Club is being running on its own funding without any sponsors. So people are willing to pay and then play. Whereas they had the choice to play for free from other organizations, from other sponsors, other sponsored teams. But passion was not cricket club. But what was more important was, as Rahul already said, that the base of Scorpions was friendship, love, respect for each other. I remember like when we started playing in cement, we had a squad of 14, but when playing 11 was announced, most of the time 14 players were there, cheering, backing up each other, and like, and there were times we used to win, we used to lose, but it fun tha, like family thing. Scorpions is not only limited to the players, but most of our members, most of the families of our members have also been in along. They are also a bottom part of our Scorpions Cricket Club. So Scorpions is more of a family. And family जब होती है तो उसमें love है, friendship है, respect है, honor है दूसरे के लिए. But today I want to say something very openly, not to criticize, not as a sarcastically. But lately I've noticed something that जहाँ पे family है, वहाँ पे kitchen है, बर्तन है तो कभी बचते हैं. So small cracks are appearing wherein the players are more thirsty about winning the game. Always they are like, आजकल ये टॉपिक चल रहा है, हमें ये टीम लेके जानी है, we want to this tournament, ये करना है, वो करना है. Whereas as I said earlier, when we started, winning or losing did not matter that much. Of course, we used to participate to win, but more than that, it was like, yeah, जीतेंगे हारेंगे देखेंगे, but get together होगा, वो आएगा, मिलेंगे, टाइम स्पेंड होगा, मैच खत्म हो गया, बैठे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं, कैच छूट गया किसी से, we are laughing it off, हार गए, एक दूसरे को तसल्ली दे देंगे, कोई बात नहीं यार, ये गलती की हमने, नेक्स्ट टाइम ये करेंगे, we discuss करेंगे. Lately, I have noticed like everybody is like more thirsty towards winning only. We have to have the best teams, and despite having a score of 28, we started from 14 as I said. Today we are standing at 28 Scorpion members. But every one of you is aware that lately, most of the times, I would say, when I say most, I will say more than 95% of the time, we are still looking for players. We are looking for guest players to come and play for us. We are not able to complete our playing squad for every match. We are doing our best कि भाई हम हफ्ते में 2 मैच खेल रहे हैं, इसीलिए कि भाई हम एक दूसरे को मतलब सारे स्कॉटलैंड मेंबर्स को केटर कर सकें, किसी को ये प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ये शिकायत ना हो कि यार हमें मैच नहीं मिल रहा, वो नहीं मिल रहा. अदरवाइज मैच once a week and 28 members sufficient for us. But then फिर उसमें हम ले जाएंगे. So we are working on it with a tight budget and everything. Now we have been playing 2 matches per week, and this is happening since quite a few years. But lately, as I said, very lately I have noticed that ये cracks जो आ रहे हैं, this is not good. This is we should not forget our base, the way we are getting together for bonding, for friendship, for love, for respect, plus the passion towards our work. So the tracks are there, and as I said, being the president, I am closely monitoring all this. But that's a promise that inshallah, I'm working on these tracks, and very soon, inshallah, I'll come up with a strategy. जहाँ पे ये tracks हैं, it's not a permanent damage. I'll fix those tracks. We'll get back together. We'll be one. We are one. We'll remain one. Because once a scorpion, always a scorpion. Thank you very much.
But due to some other engagements, they have left Scorpions. But we still remember you. So we'll start off our Scorpions Awards. I would like to call upon Mosum Bhai to please come to give away the award. And first of all, I'd like to call upon Mr. Jamshed Akram, one of the very first Scorpion members. जमशेद भाई हमारी टेप बॉल के ऊपर टेबल चढ़ाते थे। Mohammad Jashid is here. He joined Scorpion Group for a very brief time. For the next award, I will have to call upon the one and only Lala. For the next award, I would like to call upon our mystery leg spinner, Mr. Saad Afghani. Saad was with us on our initial cement days, but he loves his bodybuilding more than cricket. Next, we'd like to call upon Mr. Shahab Faisal. I would like to call upon one of our founding members, I would say, and like I said, our one and only representative from Bangladesh, Mr. Shahidul. He has done a major part. The logo for the video was done by Shahidul. I would like to call upon our table champion. You know, there are kings and badshahs, but there is only one Raja, Mr. Usman Raja. Next, I would like to call upon, I would say, one of the best spinners which we have ever had. Due to his fitness issues, we have lost him, but hopefully he'll join us back. Arguably the best spinner which Scorpions ever had, Mr. Amir Iftikhar. Was with Scorpions for a couple of seasons, but he is a very busy personality. He runs his own club, so he is busy there, I believe. I would like to call upon and congratulate him for his recent Hajj, mashallah, Mr. Abdul Basit. Next, we call our ex-members Scorpions forever. But there is one very special personality, who has been with us over the years, and whenever we need his services, he's always there, helping us, creating memories for us. I would like to call upon Fahad Khan for being Scorpions forever. Also remember people who could not be here. Mr. Fazmi, Wahid Bhai, OS, Akib, Amit, Shakil, Umair and Fizan Fakri. Next, I hope everybody has downloaded the Kahoot app. It's fun and games time to have a breather. which Fizan bhai please take over for fun and games part.
Guys, please download Kahoot. Download the application Kahoot, please, so that we can continue with the games.
Great work. Good to see you. मैंने तो आपको बताया था।
Okay, wait. Boss, it's a that's good. Guys, 6 tables. Table number 1. Table number 2. Table number 3. Table number 4. Just remember, table number 4. Please make sure the first 5 tables or guests, make sure your names are there. No one else should be there. Does everyone see their name? We've got 26, 27. We are all on? Okay. Abhi game kya hai? For those who know, it's okay. For those of you who don't know, there will be questions coming up. Simple, easy, basic questions. Right? Whoever answers correct gets points. Whoever answers fastest gets extra points. Okay? So look carefully. It's very basic. No rocket science on this one. Do the best you can on this one. Answer it and wait. Answer it fast and wait. Round. At the end of 20 questions, should we start? Look at it and answer your question. Ready? General knowledge question. 10 players from the first round, 10 from the second will play a grand finale. And there is an award offer that. Rising star for 2026. Quickly, can we have a quick round of guesses? Danish, by the way, Danish, come in. Mr. Reliable for Scorpions. Mr. Reliable for Scorpions. Let's see what it says. Rashid bhai. Rashid bhai. High voltage player. High voltage player. Can we have Shabab? Shabab. While Shabab gets the award, can we talk about power player? Can we have some guesses? Power player. Take some names, guys. Power player. Coming here, we would like to congratulate him. He's just completed Hajj. So congratulations, Jasbir. Yeah, this next one is going to be fun. Yorker King. Yorker King. If you sure? नहीं सोचो दोबारा. Yorker King. Vajay. Spin Wizard. Spin Wizard. Who would you give this? Spin Wizard. यार ऐसा नहीं करो. तो ये मेरा नहीं. Ali. ठीक है. अच्छा इस पे तो पावर आना चाहिए अपना. Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious award. Shoaib. Guys, Boundary King. Aja Lala. Mastro, Spin Mastro, next award. Spin Mastro, who would you give? Arif ko dene. On his behalf, can we have Shahab? Shahab, can you collect on Arif's behalf? Arif is not around. Centurion King. Who is the Centurion King? Guesses, guys, please. Kaptan Ajo. Yeah, King. Next one, guys. Best all-rounder. Ye wrote Hall of Fame recognition. This is a big award. You start over and we need big claps, big time. Okay, it's not a small, easy one. Who do you think we should have it? Let's have a reveal on this one. Shamim bhai, can you please have your hand?
That's quite embarrassing, by the way. Yeah. So I haven't played enough with Scorpions, but it's always good to see all of you around. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो माशाल्लाह. ऐसे ही रहो, ऐसे ही करते रहो. सब लोग ऐसे ही खेलो, सब लोग ऐसे enjoy करो. Don't take life very seriously. Just go with the motion and enjoy. So, thank you.
The first set of award has been completed. It's time to unveil our new kit. Many people have been waiting for it for quite a long time. Because previous kit we had it for last 2 years. So it's time to reveal the kit. But before that, this kit. So we'll have models wrapping up the stage.
Model there, guys, modeling.
Our lighting green and black. Latest kit, the black and gold edition. That's not effort which we're doing. So this will be our new identity with the new kit and new logo. We continue with the awards. So this is a special category of awards for the decade. And I would like to call upon Javed bhai to please come and give away the award for opening pillar of the decade. So when we talk about opening, it's one and only Samavai. Our next award is the stumping specialist. So we have had, many keepers throughout the Scorpions decade, but when it comes to stumping, there is no one better than Mr. Imran Qasem. Okay, the next award is no points for guessing because once the title comes, everybody will know it. So I would like to call upon the golden arm of the decade. The award is for Master Blaster of the Decade. This person knows only how to hit boundaries. There is no singles, doubles in his cricketing life. Award is for Batting Maestro of the Decade. faster. As I was saying, this person knows only how to hit boundaries. Mr. Irfan Shahbaz. Next award category is Speedster of the Decade. We have had many. Is for Team Player of the Decade. I just like to say a couple of words for this person. When it comes to team player, it's on the last moment if we need him, he comes. When he comes, if he doesn't get bad the ball, he's happy with it. Just to feel and be around. True team player, Mr. Faizan Hassan. Next award is Powerhouse of the Decade. Powerhouse for me, but I was giving this award for Entertainer of the Decade, but Mohsin Bhai selected Powerhouse of the Decade, Mr. Naveed Khan. Maestro of the Decade. Once again, we have had many great players, but when it comes to fielding, one and only Farhan Bhatt. Golden Glove of the Decade. Once again, our best wicketkeeper by far, Mr. Shadab Isa. Okay, next award category is, bowling category where, we have had many fast bowlers, but when you combine pace with swing, there is only one. Pace and swing. Safran. Special award for the leadership category, and over the 10 years this person has been leading Scorpions Cricket Club from the front with his visionary leadership, Mr. Mohsin Memani. Mohsin bhai, please come for the award global. Next award is Mentor of the Decade. This is somebody we always look up to. So when we talk about mentorship, whenever he's on the field and even off the field, we look up to him, his passion for cricket. And when he's on the field, he's just like us. I don't have words to talk about him, Mr. Javed Bhai.
Years, 12 years, whatever, basically, I'm part of this basically group from day one, and probably will remain till the time I'm here. But I'll be honest with you, the only reason now I come to play cricket is not cricket, you guys. I come only to meet you guys.
So that were the awards. Now we'll get back to our fun and games again. One more round of Kahoot. Last 20. Guys, last set of awards. Guys, now these are very, very prestigious awards. These are awards of the decade. So again, we need that energy when we announce the name and you see it on the screen. We need that cheering, that clapping. Yeah? Let's have our attention here. Guys, so the first award is Mr. Dependable of the Decade. यार कुछ guesses कुछ तो करते हैं, इसमें खेलते हैं थोड़ा. हाँ? Can we have Ghalib bhai on the stage, please? All right. Another prestigious award, Premier Bowler of the Decade. Who would you give? Premier Bowler of the Decade. Premier Bowler of the Decade. Is it Waji? Is it Waji? Huh? Arif. Waji, can you please take it on his behalf? Arif is not here. Premier bowler, it's time to speak about the premier batsman. Premier batsman of the decade. यार premier batsman है यार, सिर्फ batsman की बात करो यार, वो सब है. Let's have us in this one. The bowler done, batsman done, and now it's time for best all-rounder. All-rounder of the decade. All-rounder. Come on, let's have elite player of the decade. Elite player of the decade. This is the last award. Is our batsman, our bowler, everything.
Of the decade. इतने सारे हमने अवार्ड दिए, but he is one true gem among many Scorpions. यानी काफी Scorpions की एक इज्जत अफजाई ये भी है कि आज जिस मकाम में हम खड़े हैं, तो many of the reputed teams, because of our players that we have developed over the years, keep inviting a few of our Scorpions. And Atif is always involved.
भाइयों ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू वेरी मच. Especially thanks हसन भाई, गालिब भाई, जिन्होंने हमारा जब स्टार्ट किया क्रिकेट, तो आज क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं.
He himself is running a team. इनका छोटे सी अपना क्लब है, क्रिकेट टीम है, और मुझे काफ़ी इन्वाइट कर चुके हैं, बट कोइंसिडेंटली मुझे मौका ही नहीं मिला कि इनकी टीम के साथ मैच खेलें. But आज चूँकि एज अ गेस्ट I would like to say a few words. I would like you to say a few words for Scorpions.
Thank you, Mazin bhai, and thank you, Hasan bhai, for inviting me with such a great gathering. And I have been delighted to come here and be part of this group. I have been listening so many stories from Mazin bhai and Hasan bhai and my colleague Rawat also. But it's good to be a part of here and really enjoy. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I hope I believe one day we will be having a match together. Thank you, bhai.
थोड़ा सा ये ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट है, इसलिए everybody is not ready for it. I need some people on the stage. So Shadi, can I have you? Hasan bhai, Atif, please can I have you on here? Shamim bhai, please. ये कुछ awards नहीं, nothing to worry, no speech, nothing. Guys, this is just to do all of this is not easy. Trust me. People have put a lot of effort, and what Ghalib bhai said at the beginning, we take a lot of time away from family, our commitments, stuff and do this. Getting everyone together, scripting it, doing all the work in the back end is not easy at all. It's not just about this event that we're talking about. It's been 10 years that we spent. And it's time that we recognize all this. It's not just about the people that we're going to call. It just goes like that. Their award is something special if you have to try.
Thank you so much for this award. On behalf of myself and Bharat, I don't know, कल का भी नहीं होगा, actually, तो जिसको भी ये award मिला, तो जिसका भी idea था, I would like to thank, I'd like to invite, but last but not the least, I'd like to invite all the current members and ex-members of stations. Since this is the team, so this is my.
Okay. अरे कुछ आवाज करो. बाबा गो. Very support. Give it a 9. चले 3, 2.
चॉकलेट